BetterCallAgent, a bilateral negotiation agent for the 2026 Automated Negotiations League, built by Steffan, Wolter, Johny Tarbouch, and Qasim Sefaldeen at Leibniz University, Hannover. This is how it decides what to offer and when to accept. Start with a single offer, because in this game, an offer does two things at once. It proposes an agreement, and it quietly tells the opponent something about our preferences. So the second effect is priced explicitly inside the same objective as the first. The league score is what makes that worth doing. Normalized advantage, plus a relative share of opponent model accuracy. Tau A to B is our model of them. Tau B to A is their model of us. And if both are 0, the share is defined as 0. So disclosure is not penalized as a distance from concealment. It matters exactly as far as it improves the opponent's model. At initialization, the agent enumerates the outcome space and keeps everything strictly above reservation. It then builds a representative set of at most 240 outcomes, the top half by utility from that rational set, and the rest sampled from the full enumeration under a fixed seed. Each turn it filters by aspiration and scores at most 36 candidates. Those caps bound repeated work, they do not remove the enumeration. Now the part we care most about. The leakage term is candidate conditioned. Before sending a candidate, the controller appends it hypothetically to its own issue value counts. With equal issue weights, those counts define a frequency proxy, the model an opponent would hold if it learned only from our offer frequencies. That proxy ranks the representative set, and Kendall's Tau B compares that ranking with our true utility ordering. Note what this is. Alignment after the append, not a before and after increment. Stronger positive alignment means the learner recovers an ordering closer to ours, so that candidate costs more. It covers one inference channel. It is not a privacy guarantee, and we do not claim one. The first two offers use a plain repetition count. Tau B begins with offer 3. That term goes into the offer objective, against 3 rewards, our utility, the estimated opponent utility, and the balance between them. The leakage weight holds at 0.84 until relative time 0.82, then decays to about 0.4 at the deadline. Welfare grows with exponent 0.92, and aspiration uses a separate exponent near 13. Late in the game, closing the deal simply matters more than hiding. The opponent estimate is a blend, an inverse own utility prior mixed with a hard-headed frequency model as offers arrive. With the evidence weight capped at 0.92, that single estimate does 3 jobs. It is exported for the official accuracy term, it scores candidates, and it sets the concession floor, the own utility coordinate of a proxy Nash point on the representative set, scaled a little below 1 and refreshed every 7 steps. Acceptance runs in execution order, and the order is the whole point. At or below reservation, reject. The first positive gate is utility at or above rho times aspiration, with rho sitting just under 0.964 and 18 thousandths lower in small domains. If that fails, then from time 0.985, an offer worse than the best one we have already seen is vetoed, and that better offer is replayed instead. At the dynamic threshold near 0.99, anything still surviving is the best seen, or tied with it. The last 2 tests in the source are unreachable in normal flow. We mark them shadowed rather than present them as policy. One more thing, when the rational set is small, offer selection takes a different path. No aspiration filter, no leakage objective, just a lexicographic max-min over the full rational set. The late replay guard can still preempt it. To be straight about the evidence, what is measured here is the integrated controller, the paired component ablation, leakage on against off, matched by domain, opponent seat and seed has not been run. That is the experiment that would make any component level claim falsifiable, and it is where we go next. That was BetterCallAgent from Leibniz University, Hannover. Our thanks to the ANL organizers.